One of the things that inspired me to started recording videos again was looking around at what other people have put up. And some videos get very popular, but their content is kind of questionable in a lot of cases. Some of it's good, some of it's really not. So I thought I would just throw my hat in the ring, even though some of these people have a big head start with, in some cases, mediocre content. One of the topics I've searched on is the idea of skeleton modeling or layout modeling. Some people call it SSP. Some people even call this master modeling. And there are a lot of ways to do it. You can do it within a single part. You can do it in an assembly. You can do it as a layout part within an assembly that's only role is to share geometry between the other parts. So there are a lot of methods, and I thought I would show several of these. Some of these use the Solidworks formal layout tool, and then there's the less formal layout technique that a lot of people just use intuitively. So I have a bunch of models here, some of which go together, some of which don't. Got a set of vice grips that use the formal SolidWorks layout technique. I've got a bicycle derailleur that uses a 3D layout part. It's not just sketches, it's surfaces as well. I've got a big dump truck that uses a couple of sketches and some images as a layout to build the rest of the part around. I've got a mold assembly that uses sketches at the assembly level to build and control individual parts. And then I've also got a 3D sketch, which is done completely within a single part, which can be broken down into a multi-body model using what I call the master model technique. You can take those individual bodies and save them out to parts, or do a cut list, which for an application like this might be more traditional. This video really just serves as a springboard for showing the rest of the videos that get into each one of these topics in a detailed way and show you how all of this works. And there are a lot of different techniques, some of which work better than others in different kinds of situations. The first video is going to be the dump truck video. Second video will be the mold layout. My third video will be a 3D sketch multi-body master model cut list video. The next one will involve the formal SolidWorks layout tool to create vice grips. And then the final video will show how a 3D layout using surface bodies was used to create a bicycle derailleur. The geometry of the derailleur is a little more complicated than you might think, and it definitely needs a 3D layout. So thanks for watching this short introduction, and I hope you come back for each one of the follow-up detail videos. Thanks for watching.